Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy the Life Coach here. Okay, so the topic for today, as you see by the thumbnail, is Happy Halloween. I'm actually doing this video on Friday, but I'll post it on Saturday. Maybe I'll post it today. No, I'll probably post it on Saturday to make it more festive. And the little brief topic about it is gonna be going out and having a good time on Halloween, going over the top, drinking wise, partying wise, and where the balance can come into play. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get into the topic. So, it's Halloween. I'm gonna make this kind of a brief video. I'll probably get into this going out and hardcore partying, what you should do, yada yada. I'll do that in in more depth in another topic, but this is just a very quick video because it's Halloween, guys. Have fun for Halloween. Like, you do it. Awesome. Go for it. But be careful, guys. Be cautious. Be smart. Don't be idiots just because it's Halloween. Yada yada yada. Oh, I look like I'm goofy. I'm in a costume. Who cares? I'm just gonna get blacked out, wasted. I'm not even saying you can't black out. I'm not even saying you can't do that. But guys, don't just degaff, like not giving a crap about anything just because it's Halloween. No, like, remember the rules, guys. Don't just get a random drink from a person. This is why don't get roofied on Halloween. Don't go over the top where you're puking in other people's bathrooms, like hardcore. Like, don't make it excessive just because it's Halloween, guys. Have a good time. Maybe drink a little more than usual. Get your dance on, get your freak on, do whatever it is you guys do. Go trick-or-treating drunk. That's actually probably really fun. I've never thought to do that. That might actually be a good idea, drinking and then going trick-or-treating. I don't know if they would allow me to do that at this point. But guys, also go out and have a fun time. Just having a fun time. You don't need to get laid, don't need to get some ass or anything like that, guys. Just have fun. It's Halloween. Don't make it extreme. Don't make it bigger than it is. Just have fun. Dress in your costumes, have fun with friends. Don't go over the top with drinking. Don't drink and drive. Straight up, if any of you guys drink and drive, I mean, I can't do anything about it, but like, I will virtually beat you up. You see that? See that? Virtually beat you up. Don't do stupid shit. Don't do stupid shit. There'd be nothing dumber than ruining your life on Halloween. That would literally be the stupidest thing I've ever heard. So, don't do it. Have a good time. Do whatever it is you guys want to do. Bar hop, clubbing, I don't know, different parties, social gatherings, trick-or-treating, you know, walking around in, I don't know, I'm in the LA area, so West Hollywood or things like that. Go have the time of your lives, but be safe, guys. Happy Halloween. I hope your guys' costume is awesome. Actually, I'm going to be a Smurf. I surely should have worn my costume for this video. It's a Smurf type blue suit with the hat. It's freaking awesome. Maybe I don't know, I can't post a picture or anything like that, but you guys just have to take my word for it. Alright guys, that's just all I wanted to talk about with this topic. I'll get into fear of missing out, FOMO, you know, partying, moderation, all that, because I have a lot of experiences on that. In another video where I'll go more in depth. This was just to say, be safe on Halloween. Don't ruin your lives. Have a good time. Don't go over the top, but go over the top. Moderation. You guys understand what I'm saying. Comment below your guys' costume ideas. Comment below what you guys think about this topic. Comment below any other topics you guys have. You guys remember the thing. Like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. I make videos at least once a week, hopefully multiple times a week. This is Project Dot Processor, Smile Not Your Core. I'm the Life Coach. Happy Halloween, and I will see you guys in the next video.